spinning in a 644. I'ma teleport my vanish.
So what have I been up to for the last week? Once I decided that I was going to create a course because the YouTube numbers were absolutely failing as soon as I said let's begin on my tutorials, I did a little bit of research and I started a giveaway. And what I did is I had an extra video card in my closet that I wasn't able to sell last year because remember I sold everything. And so I went to Kingsumo, signed myself up for a giveaway and put that card up there. And right now I'm sitting at over 500 emails and 5,000 entries. So that's actually pretty remarkable. And I was able to put that giveaway on my site. And so now it's starting to actually generate some traffic for the first time in 1 year. Also, I got into creating my course on Teachable, which has been a joy of an app to work with, but it is a lot of work to put together a course. So I had to recompile all of those 20 videos that I'd created, add a whole bunch more to fill out not just one, but two courses. One that was Azure focused and another one that was AWS focused. And so I've almost finished both of those. And then this weekend, I put together a jumpstart because we need to offer somebody something when they don't win the giveaway. So what we figured is there'll be the one winner that we announce. And then along with that, we want to give them a coupon to take a jumpstart course that then will lead into the other course. So I've been scrambling to do a jump start before the end of the giveaway. And I'm about 80% of the way there. I've been waking up early almost every morning to try to get it done. And I'm really excited about how all of this is turning out. Stay tuned. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.